to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. Party hard! Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick. How to cook zombies? Awesome!
Zombies do. Be safe or be sorry.
Hold it right there! You zombie jerks! I'll help you!
Awesome! I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Look out! Incoming!
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving. Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your taint.
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, Herb! Don't be looking at my skirt! Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop. Your goal.
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
Ah! Watch out!
Come on, get away from me!
Hold on, I'm coming!
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding. Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones, but I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Fuck off! Get away!
kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Where to be?
Hold on, it's too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Let me feel that.
Get off me, you bastard! No! Oh shit! Tell my wife I
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead! Just a second!
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?